How to enable voice navigation in Google Maps? Well, simply open your Google Maps, go to search bar and search for Maps. Now tap on the Google Maps. Then after you open your Google Maps, simply tap on your profile. Then simply scroll down to the settings and head over to your navigation settings. Now under guidance volume, you'll find OK Google detection. Simply tap on there. Now that's it, guys. Here you'll find Hey Google, and this will allow you to access your assistant anytime you say Hey Google when your screen is on. So simply turn it off and tap on OK. Now just turn it off if you want to turn it off even while driving. And that's it, guys. In this way your voice navigation will be turned off. Further, here are a lot of options. If you don't want to hear voice over Bluetooth, voice during phone calls, voice audio cues, you can simply uncheck these also. And that's it, guys. In this way you'll be able to enable and disable voice navigation from your Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.